Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 15 problem on LeetCode. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So in this problem we have to find the players with 0 or 1 losses. Okay, and we have given an integer array matches where matches of I. So first this index is going to show the winner of the match, and the second index is going to show the loser of the match. Okay, so we have to return a list answer of size 2 where answer 0 is a list of all players that have not lost any match, and answer 1 is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. The value in the two lists should be returned in increasing order. This is a note, so you should only consider the players that have played at least one match, and the test cases will be generated such that no two matches will have the same outcome. Okay, so now see, this is the matches array given to us. So in this array, the first index represents that this is the winner, and the second index represents the loser of the match. So this is the first match. So in the first match, winner is 1 and loser is 3. In the second match, winner is 2 and the loser is 3. In the third match, winner is 3 and the loser is 6. Okay, so to solve this problem, first let's create a map win and lost. So we are going to create two maps. One is to store the players with their number of win matches, and second map is going to store the player as a key and the number of matches they lost. So we are going to create two maps. So let's create two maps. So in these maps we are going to store first the player name, or see this player number 1, and in the second value we are going to store the count of the number of matches they win or lost. So we are going to create two maps. One is to store the number of win matches, and one is to store the number of lose matches by a player. So first create two maps, hash maps. Okay, so in this hash map we are going to store win outcome, and in the second map just copy it and paste it, and this is for containing the lost matches. Okay, so now here, so once we have created the map, now let's fill the values in these maps. So let's run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than matches dot length I plus plus, and in this we are going to use the get or default method. So here first in this map we are going to put what? We are going to put the value for first match. So for first match we are going to write this matches, and here inside that two indexes. Okay, it is a 2D array. So here first we are going to get for win matches. So win matches, the values are stored in the first index only. This index for this match, this index for this match, this index for this match. Okay, so first index is going to change every time, and here the j value, it is going to be 0 only. Okay, j value is going to be 0 only. So let's say this is see it like this. So 2, 3, this is the first match outcome, and 1, 3 is the first match outcome, and 2, 3 is the second match outcome. Okay, so here what I am doing, so these are the rows I. Okay, here I is equal to 0 for the first match, and I is equal to 1 for the second match, and these are the j values, the column names. So this is j is equal to 0, and then j is equal to 1. Okay, so to get the win matches, okay, so I am going to get the value 1 of the each match, like first index of every match, which is going to show me the win. Okay, so I need to get I0 J0, I1 J0. So this J is always same. Okay, so for this matches, after that I am going to use get to default method, win. Okay, win dot get or default, and in this I am going to search for that particular key. If it is there, then it is going to take some value, but if it is not there, then I am going to get one default value, and default value is 0, and I am going to add just 1 here. Okay, every time if I found that key, then I got that key, I get that value, and just add 1 to that match. Okay, so here I created for win, and in the same way just create for lost matches. Okay, so here just in place of win write lost, and here also write lost. But for lost matches, this is first match, so where is the lost index? So lost index is given in the second position. Okay, so right now second position, that is at j is equal to 1. So right now this j is fixed as 1. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to do. Now let me just show you. Let me just return null here to show how our maps looks like. So here system dot out dot print ln, and here I pass the value of win, and same way here I pass the value of lost map. Okay, so now let me run the code. So definitely test cases are going to fail, but here I am showing something else. Here, yeah, here I is equal to 0, I is less than Manchester. So what was the issue here? Okay, yeah, just uncomment, comment out this part. Okay, so yeah, so here see, so now we get the standard output like this. Okay, when I print the lines, so I get the outputs like this. Let me comment out this part as well. Okay, so now see here for the first match, how many matches this one player win? This one match, and then I don't see 1 anywhere at the first index. Okay, so 1 total matches win by 1 player is 1. By second, this match second player wins, great, and then nothing, so only one match win by second. And the third player, 3 player, and 3 player just win 1 match. 4 player 1 match, second match he wins, third match he wins, so 4 is equal to 3. 5 1 match he win, this match he win, and then total 2 matches won by 5, so 5 is equal to 2. And 10 players, 10 wins 2 matches. Okay, so I store this is the player number or whatever, player name or player number, whatever you want to guess. So here 10 wins 2 matches, 5 wins 2 matches, 4 wins 3 matches, 3 wins 1 match, 2 wins 1 match, 1 wins 1 match. So here I store the value of win count. Now here I store the value of lost. So 3 lost 2 matches, 1 this match lost by 3, and 3 is this match, and 4 lost this match, 1 match only. 5 lost 1 match, this match. 6 lost which match? This is 0 match, 1 match, second match. So 6 lost second match, third match. So 2 matches are lost by 6. So 6 is equal to 2. 7 lost 1 match, 8 lost 1 match, 9 lost 2 matches. See, 9 lost 2 matches. So I stored the value of win and lost map. Okay, in this way. Now you know what we have to return? We have to return the players. Answer 0 is a list of all players that have not lost any matches. So what are the players that haven't lost any match? So here see, 1 player didn't lost any match, second player didn't lost any match, and 10 player didn't lost any match. Okay, so here also you should consider that the players that have played at least 1 match. So the players should play at least 1 match. If it didn't play any match, then we should not consider those players. So here you see 1 also played 1 match, second also played 1 match, and 10 also played 1 match at least. okay, and they haven't lost any matches, right? So that is why we store their value in the answer 0. This is our answer 0. So answer 0 is a list. It is a list with the players who didn't lost any match, and answer 1 is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. So what are the players that lost exactly one match? So here, see in this lost map, 4 lost one match, 5 lost one match, 7 lost one match, 8 lost one match. Total 4 players, 4, 5, 7, 8. So we got the 2 players, we got the 2 lists. The answer 0 is the list 1 and answer 1 is the list 2. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. So now after that, what we are going to do, we are going to see, we are storing the answer in this list. This list is containing the lists. Okay, this list is containing the list. This is outer list. Okay, this is outer list, and this list containing the lists. One list is this one, array 0, and one list is this one. So 2 lists it is containing, and list is made up of integers. So where we are going to store the values? We are going to store the values in, let me remove this part, and yeah, let me remove this comment of this part as well. Okay, so now see, after this, let me cut this and paste it outside. Okay, so now after this, we are going to create one list which consists of list of integers. So we are making one list of integers. Okay, and here in this list of integers, we are going to store our result list. Okay, and we are just now creating one array list. Okay, new array list. Okay, done. So this is how we have created one result list, array list. Okay, now after that, we are going to get answer 0 and answer 0. For answer 0, we are going to make one list. We are going to make this list, and we are also going to make this list. So for creating this list, let's create first this list. So for this is a list which is containing integers, right? So list of integers, first list, again new array list. Okay, just copy this. In this way we are going to create this is a first list, and for the second list, just copy this line and paste it here, and here just name it as second list. Okay, so I have created 2 lists. Now I am going to run one for each loop. Okay, so in this for each loop, let's write like this: for int key, and we are going to search the key in win.keyset. Win.keyset, we are searching for the key in this. Okay, in this we are searching for a key. One by one we are going first for this one, then for second one, for third one. Okay, so here in this win.keyset, I am going to use one for each loop, and in that I am going to check one if condition. If lost dot contains key, and in this I am passing the value key. Okay, and here I am just adding in the first list dot add key. Okay, so here what I did, so here one by one I go first for this key 1, I search for get this key, and then I find out if this key is not available in the lost. So I get this key. Okay, then I search if this key is available here. No, it is not available. So not operator, I use not operator. So this key is not available. This one key is not available in our lost map. Okay, right. So now in the list I add this key. I add this value 1. Okay, I hope that you get it. So in this way we are going to create our list 1. this list, this one. Okay, if I'm going to get one key, and here after that I'm going to search this key in this list. If it is not there, then just I'm going to add that key in the our list 0. Okay, so it is very easy. Now after that I'm going to iterate over this map, this lost map, and here I'm going to search for all the values which have value as 1. Okay, since we are going to create one answer one list, which is a list of all the players that have lost exactly one match. So for that, just write for map dot entry and integer, and it is also integer, key and value both are integer only, so integer. Okay, and here let's create one entry. We are going to each entry. So here in the lost dot entry set. Okay, now we are going to iterate over each entry in the lost map. Okay, now after that I am going to search if for this entry, let's say one by one. First this one, then after that I'm going for this entry, and after that I'm going to this entry, after that I'm going to this entry. So I am going to search if entry dot get value, entry dot get value is equal to 1. If the for any entry value is 1, and then in that case just in the second list I'm going to add that, right? Second list dot add entry dot get key. That's it. Okay, so here just I have added that entry in the second list. Now here note this point. There is one point, yeah, here the values in the two lists should be returned in increasing order. So here see 4 5 7 8, we can't store it like 8 7 4 5, we have to store it them in the increasing order. So for that we are going to use collections, just one line, nothing else. Don't worry. Collections dot sort, we are going to sort first list. Same way, copy this, paste it here and here. Why it is executing every time whenever I'm doing copy paste? Maybe some LeetCode shortcut. Okay, so here second list, so I have sorted. Now we are going to store the value in this result list. Okay, so in this result list, can I add like this, result list dot add, and again result dot list dot add. Here I am adding first list first, and then let me write it, result list dot add second list. In this way I have added both the lists. First this list, then this list, I have inserted them in the main list, and then in the end I'm just going to return result list. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So let's run it. So our solution is accepted here, and now let's submit it. So our all the test cases has been passed. So guys, I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So please press like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.